And you know that you've got two people who have both been governor, who have dramatic different visions. One has succeeded by dividing the state, one from the other, and promoting trickle-down economics. That's the other fellow. One wants to grow it together. And I'll tell you what, this Medicaid expansion is a classic example. You have given up billions of dollars in federal aid, up to 63,000 jobs, good paying jobs, and 1 million Florida citizens would have health care coverage who don't. Now, in my native state, Arkansas, we did this, and let me just tell you what happened. We had this great aggressive expansion of the Medicaid program. We did it through a private insurance plan. We had the biggest drop in uninsurance and lack of insurance in the country. I want you to understand what you're up against. Our neighbors in Louisiana, they did what Mr. Scott and his party wanted to do. So Blue Cross and Blue Shield and all of our insurers, they just announced what's going to happen in Arkansas next year. Rates, health insurance rates are going down 2%. Not just for the people that got insurance, for 100% of people. And then they announced what they're going to do down in Louisiana, where they didn't do any of this stuff. Rates are going up 18%. Why? Because if you don't provide people with health insurance, and they go to a rural hospital, they go to an urban hospital, they go to a teaching hospital, the rest of us will pay their bills and higher premiums. So again, if you have inclusive economics and inclusive politics, and you do what's fair for everybody, we're all better off. Charlie Crist knows that, and that's why he should be governor.